Welcome to Chronic Gamer.
Today we're going to be doing his makeup. You got lucky. I'm using all my new brushes, boo.
Oh yeah? I'm so into voguing right now.
God damn it. Alright, we're doing your hair too, you know that, right? Okay. We need to prime. Priming is important. Fight me.
Ow. Nuts. No.
Okay, my hands are washed. I just washed them, by the way.
What's that?
The toner. It is Wild Wing Skin Elixir. So right now I'm mixing two different primers. I just freaking do in here. Angel Veil by NYX, Ipkin IPKN Radiant Cream Primer. Okay, the lightest foundation, and I'm using the Veer, which is one of those Facebook products, which is not No! So I'm gonna prime your eyes now.
Okay, so I have to close my eyes.
Yeah, you're not gonna like this. Literal gold. I'm now going to go ahead and put some Shape Tape on the bottom of your eye.
What is this?
Oh, this is foundation. Oh, you can open your eyes.
Oh.
I will cut you.
Oh no!
The NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade. Brow pomade.
For the brows?
Yes. We're gonna start contouring your face. Oh, so I'm using the Too Faced Your Love is King Love Flush. It's the powder blush. Let's give you some highlight.
Okay, where do the highlights go?
Blend it out, lovely. So I'm using the Morphe 35M palette, which is Boss Mood, which is a brand new palette. It's very witchy. It's one of my favorite palettes. I'm also gonna use a bit of the Amazonian clay. No, Tartelette in Bloom, not Amazonian clay. So my Tartelette in Bloom. But fuck it, going with the liquid.
Do what you gotta do.
All right, open.
No. Yes. What did you do?
Oh. I brought Q-tips, don't worry.
What did you do?
That hurts me. I'm sorry. I'm in pain. Stop. Look at me. Don't look at her. Look at me. You're done.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see this finished product. Ooh. Okay. Alright.
Do you want a mirror?
Definitely not something I would do on the regular, but I look cute as fuck.
I look cute as fuck.
What do you think it looks good, or?
I think you look very pretty. You still got lipstick on your teeth.
Oh no.
Honestly,
Oh shit.
Alright, well, that's the end of that one.
That's the end of that.